That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic, magic, magic. Black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo. Look at that black yo hitting me with all of that.
Hey guys, welcome back. Black Lives Matter. I just wanted to put that out there real quick. This is my hair after a wash. First, I'm gonna use some Chrissy pillow. So, I have some argan oil mousse, some Gorilla, and some Chrissy Pillow leave-in conditioner, and the Chrissy Pillow oil that you saw me applied already, and some oil. So first I'm gonna moisturize my hair. Now we're gonna part the hair. I'm thinking on this side. Maybe the part. To do this hairstyle, you might have to section this part aside to allow the swoop. Alright you guys, so here I'm basically creating a circle in the front of my head. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're gonna section it aside. You're gonna twist it and place it into a bento knot. And here what I'm gonna do is section front side, right and left, and place it aside. And I'm gonna detangle the back, and I'll be right back. So here I'm applying the Chrissy Pillow leave-in conditioner. Guys, this is the best conditioner I ever used. The leave-in conditioner is the best. Apart from my Cream of Nature, this is my number 2. And I'm gonna apply some mousse, detangle, and then swoop it back. Swoop, swoop, swoop. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side. Gel. This is the bomb, and then I'm gonna place it on top of my hair, and I'm gonna swoop, swoop, swoop. These gels holds down for the whole entire day, even till the next day, guys. But you have to work fast with it. It's either you use mousse or foam and water, and it does the job. It makes your life easier. And here I'm gonna use the little comb and slick to my liking. So here I'm gonna unravel the front section. My hair feels really nice here, very moisturized, and that's what you need when you know you're about to apply gel throughout your entire hair. You have to make sure it's moisturized. Here I'm gonna apply some more leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna start parting the hair section by section. I'm gonna apply some Gorilla Snack at the bottom and at the top, and use the comb, the rat tail comb, to slick it back. You want to work in sections. It's gonna make it easier for you to manipulate your hair, and it's gonna give you a much neater look. It's gonna be neat. Here I'm gonna add some cream miniature mousse or foam. It helps me work easier with my hair. Like I said earlier, the Gorilla Snack dries fast, so you have to work as fast as possible. But if you don't want to be rushed, you need to add mousse or add some water. It's up to you. Alright guys, so throughout the front section, all I've done is add some gel, bottom, top, slick, add some mousse, slick, add some more gel, add some more mousse, slick, until you feel comfortable with your swoop. Alright guys, we're gonna get a little off topic real fast. I'm a forex trader. I trade in the foreign exchange market. I trade in forex, and I'm part of an academy called I Am Academy. So what we do is we trade currencies. We don't have to move around the world to trade currency. We could do it through our phone and make money. You can be profitable off paper currencies, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, FX crosses, all this stuff. I don't want to get into details, but if any of you guys are interested in making money off your phone, please DM me on Instagram, and I'm gonna link my Instagram down below, and feel free to text me and I'll take you through the process. Remember guys, the bottom is too crowded. See you at the top. I'm gonna fix the back. Alright guys, we came to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and people you would like to see slaying this hairstyle. Alright guys, see you guys later.
That black, yo, magic, 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 black.